Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. Today, we will explore 25 multiple choice general knowledge questions that will challenge your mind and spark your curiosity across a variety of topics. Are you ready? So let's start.
Question number 1. The ancient Roman most significant contribution to the Europe has been in the area of A. Economics, B. Poetry, C. Law, and D. Drama. The correct answer is law. The Roman justice system and the laws have influenced the legal system of many countries, including the United States and the much of Europe. The principle of innocent until proven guilty is a Roman contribution. Question number 2. By 1817, which country was one of the core nations of industrial Europe? A. Russia, B. Britain, C. Italy, and D. Germany. The correct answer is Britain. The Industrial Revolution began in Britain in the mid of 18th century. Britain's natural resources and innovations such as steam train made it leader in industrialization. Question number 3. Who is called as a prophet of New India? A. Sri Ramakrishna, B. Dayanand Saraswati, C. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, and D. Swami Vivekanand. The correct answer is Sri Ramakrishna. Sri Ramakrishna is known as the prophet of India because of his significant contribution to the India spiritual and religion landscape in 19th century. He was a spiritual leader and mystic who preached a message of universal love and harmony, transcending the boundaries of religion and caste. Question number 4. The art and science of map making is called A. Remote sensing, B. Cartography, C. Photogrammetry, and D. Mapping. The correct answer is cartography. The art and science of map making is called cartography. It involves the study, design, construction, and production of maps. Cartography is important because it provides a simplified visual representation of physical terrain. It combines science, aesthetics, and the technique to model reality in a way that effectively communicates partial information. Number 5. The peace treaty crafted in Vienna 1815 prevented a major European war until option A 1830, B 1848, C 1914, and D 1870. The correct answer is 1914. Question number 6. Hanging Valley is formed due to the action of A. River, B. Ocean, C. Wind, and D. Glacier. The correct answer is glacier. A hanging valley is a tributary valley with the floor at higher relief than the main channel into which it flows. They are most commonly associated with U-shaped valley when a tributary glacier flows into a glacier of larger volume. Question number 7. Who led the Satyagraha movement with Gandhiji? Option A. Annie Besant, B. Mirdul Sarabhai, C. Muthu Lakshmi, and D. Sarojini Naidu. The correct answer is Sarojini Naidu. Dandi March or Salt Satyagraha was a major non-violent protest against India led by the Mahatma Gandhi in March-April 1930, starting from Sabarmati Ashram on 12th March 1930 till Dandi, a coastal village in Gujarat, to break the salt law by producing salt from sea water. Sarojini Naidu joined him on the way. Question number 8. Who said that the real seat of test is not the tongue but mind? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Aurobindo Ghosh, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and D. Swami Vivekanand. The correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. This quote appears in his autobiography, The Story of My Experiment with Truth, Gandhiji believed that taste is not solely dependent on tongue but rather on the mind. He taught that the true taste comes from using one's intellect and discriminate rather than being driven by sensory experience. This perspective aligns with his philosophy of focusing on inner development and moral principles. Question number 9. The Louvre Museum, home to the Mona Lisa, is located in which city? A. Rome, B. London, C. Paris, and D. Madrid. The correct answer is Paris. Question number 10. Geostationary satellite has a rotation period of A. 12 hour, B. 24 hour, C. 48 hour, and D. 6 hour. The correct answer is 24 hour. Question number 11. What is the interval between a high tide and neap tide at given place? A. 12 hour, B. 12 hour 26 minutes, C. 15 hour 30 minutes, and D. 24 hours. The correct answer 12 hour 26 minutes. Question number 12. Panna is a important place in Madhya Pradesh, is famous for A. Gold mine, B. Iron mines, C. Silver mines, D. Diamond mines. The correct answer is diamond mines. Panna is a district in Madhya Pradesh, is also famous for the diamond mines and is known as the city of diamond. The Panna district has a diamond belt that is about 80 km across the town. The National Mineral Development Corporation has been operating a mercantile diamond mine in Majgaon since 1958. The mine produces around 81,000 carats of diamonds annually. Question number 13. Which of the following river does not originate in Indian territory? A. Brahmaputra, B. Mahanadi, C. Ganga, and D. Satluj. The correct answer is Brahmaputra. Question number 14. How long is lifespan of a housefly? A. 3 months, B. 1 month, C. 6 months, and D. 2 months. The correct answer is 1 month. Question number 15. The Kabul Lamgeo, the only floating national park in world, is in A. Mizoram, B. Assam, C. Meghalaya, and D. Manipur. The correct answer is Manipur. The Kabul Lamgeo National Park is the world only floating national park. It is about 40 km in area and it is located on the floating Loktak Lake in the Bishanpur district of the state of Manipur in northeast India. It is currently under the tentative list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites under the title of Kabul Lamgeo Conservation Area. Question number 16. Where was the first Cricket World Cup held and when? Option A. England 1979, B. Australia 1975, C. England 1975, and D. Australia 1979. The correct answer England 1975. The 1975 World Cup was the inaugural edition of the tournament and was hosted by England. This edition featured 8 teams and total of 15 matches. West Indies won their first ever World Cup title, defeating Australia in the final. Question number 17. The term butterfly stroke is related with A. Boxing, B. Swimming, C. Kabaddi, and D. Wrestling. The correct answer is swimming. The butterfly stroke is swimming technique where the swimmer moves both arms simultaneously above the water while kicking their legs in up and down motion. The leg kick, also known as the dolphin kick. Question number 18. Which animal has the longest migration routes? A. Arctic tern, B. Grey whale, C. Elephant seal, and D. Monarchy butterfly. The correct answer is Arctic tern. The Arctic tern migrates from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back, covering over 25,000 miles annually. Question number 19. Which ocean is the Bermuda Triangle located? A. Atlantic Ocean, B. Indian Ocean, C. Arctic Ocean, and D. Pacific Ocean. The correct answer is Atlantic Ocean. The Bermuda Triangle is located in western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. It is a vaguely triangular region that roughly bounded by Bermuda, the southern coast of the United States and the Greater Antilles Islands. Question number 20. What is the national flower of Japan? A. Orchid, B. Lily, C. Rose, and D. Cherry blossom. The correct answer is cherry blossom. Question number 21. Which fruit has the highest vitamin C content per 100 grams? A. Orange, B. Kiwi, C. Guava, and D. Lemon. The correct answer is guava. Question number 22. Which from the following disease usually spread through milk? A. Cholera, B. Tuberculosis, C. Jaundice, and D. Diphtheria. The correct answer is tuberculosis. Tuberculosis (TB) is an infectious disease caused by bacteria that most often affects the lungs. It is spread through the air when people with TB cough, sneeze, or spit. Tuberculosis is preventable and curable. About a quarter of the global population is estimated to have been infected with TB bacteria. Question number 23. Which of the following is the sweetest sugar? A. Sucrose, B. Glucose, C. Fructose, and D. Maltose. The correct answer is fructose. Fructose is a type of sugar known as the monosaccharide. Fructose is also known as fruit sugar because it primarily occurs naturally in many fruits. Fructose is the sweetest naturally occurring carbohydrate and is 1.2 से 1.8 times sweeter than sucrose यानी कि table sugar. Question number 24. Which part of saffron plant is used to obtain the spice saffron? A. Leaves, B. Fruits, C. Petals, and D. Dry stigma. The correct answer is dry stigma. Question number 25. A falling drop of rain water acquires the spherical shape due to A. Viscosity, B. Surface tension, C. Atmospheric pressure, and D. Gravitational force. The correct answer is surface tension.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.